It is more significant when realizing that the ultimate sport bike, Suzuki's extraordinary Hayabusa, debuted 25 years ago. To commemorate that seismic event, Suzuki is proud to announce the 2024 Hayabusa 25th anniversary model. The motorcycling world has changed in those years, while the Hayabusa remains firmly on its perch as motorcycling's ultimate sport bike. The 25th anniversary model of Suzuki's flagship sport bike continues to be propelled by a muscular, refined inline four-cylinder engine housed in a proven, yet modernized chassis with incomparable manners, managed by an unequaled suite of electronic rider aids within stunning aerodynamic bodywork that is distinctly Hayabusa. Riders who have owned or longed for a Hayabusa now have a new goal: to obtain this glass blaze orange and glass sparkle black commemorative edition. They will recognize the iconic, aerodynamic silhouette that has been polished through wind tunnel sessions, so the body features vent shapes, air diffusers, and reimagined logos, while a sophisticated LED lighting system becomes the zenith of style and function. The torque-rich 1,340 cubic centimeters engine effortlessly delivers a strong wave of power, so the Hayabusa accelerates quicker and smoother than ever before, while complying with worldwide emissions standards. Rider control is unmatched because of the Hayabusa's Suzuki Intelligent Ride System. The engine's adjustable power delivery, traction control, cruise control, launch control, quick shift, and motion track ABS, and combined brake systems offer the Hayabusa rider unmatched options on how they want their ride to unfold. This special version of the Gen 3 Hayabusa has anniversary emblems and logos placed appropriately on the motorcycle, while select components have a special gold anodized finish, and the iconic solo seat cowl is included. This 25th anniversary edition will focus more eyes upon the Hayabusa, as it remains a testament to Suzuki's century of dedication to creating art, while building the best performing product that is unmatched in quality, reliability, and value. The Hayabusa, like its namesake peregrine falcon, continues to soar above all. The traction control system is not a substitute for the rider's throttle control. It cannot prevent loss of traction due to excessive speed when the rider enters a turn and applies the brakes. Traction control cannot prevent the front wheel from losing grip. Depending on road surface conditions, such as wet, loose, or uneven roads, braking distance for an ABS-equipped vehicle may be longer than for a vehicle not equipped with ABS. ABS cannot prevent wheel skidding caused by braking while cornering. Please drive carefully and do not overly rely on ABS. The year 2024 brings with it exciting advancements in the world of motorcycles, and one name stands out above the rest as the ultimate apex predator of sport bikes: the 2024 Suzuki Hayabusa. Building on the legacy of its predecessors, the third-generation Hayabusa is set to redefine performance, technology, and design, cementing its position as a true icon in the world of two-wheeled machines. Design and aerodynamics, form meets function. Suzuki engineers have dedicated countless hours to refining the design of the 2024 Hayabusa. Emphasizing both form and function, the motorcycle boasts a sleek and aerodynamic bodywork that cuts through the air with maximum efficiency. The sharp lines and sculpted fairings not only enhance its aesthetic appeal but also reduce drag, resulting in improved top-end speed and stability. With a focus on rider ergonomics, the Hayabusa is designed to offer comfort during long journeys without compromising on its aggressive and commanding presence. The riding position strikes a perfect balance between sporty and relaxed, making it ideal for spirited rides on twisty mountain roads or cruising effortlessly on highways. Engine and performance. Unleashing the beast. At the heart of the 2024 Suzuki Hayabusa lies a meticulously engineered and powerful engine. The next-generation power plant is a masterpiece of engineering, blending cutting-edge technology with Suzuki's racing heritage. With a displacement increase and optimized fuel injection system, the engine delivers blistering acceleration and high-end power, making it one of the fastest sport bikes on the planet. The latest engine technology is complemented by advanced electronic aids, including multiple riding modes, traction control, and a quick shifter, ensuring that riders can harness the full potential of the Hayabusa with confidence and precision. Chassis and handling. Precision at its core. To complement its staggering performance, Suzuki has designed a lightweight yet rigid chassis for the 2024 Hayabusa. The frame is constructed using state-of-the-art materials that enhance structural integrity and reduce overall weight. This provides riders with exceptional agility and cornering prowess, allowing them to confidently navigate through the tightest bends and corners. A sophisticated suspension system, featuring fully adjustable front forks and rear monoshock, guarantees a plush ride on various road surfaces, while maintaining excellent stability during high-speed runs. Braking performance is equally impressive, with a top-of-the-line braking system that offers unmatched stopping power. Technology and connectivity. Embracing the digital age, the 2024 Suzuki Hayabusa is more than just a performance powerhouse. It's also a showcase of advanced technology and connectivity features. The bike comes equipped with a high-resolution TFT display that provides crucial information at a glance, including speed, revs, gear position, and navigation prompts. Additionally, the Hayabusa offers smartphone connectivity, allowing riders to seamlessly pair their devices with the bike. This enables access to music, calls, and notifications while on the move, ensuring riders stay connected without compromising on safety. Safety and rider aids, striking the right balance. Suzuki has made safety a top priority in the 2024 Hayabusa, incorporating a suite of rider aids to enhance stability and control. The bike's advanced ABS system works in harmony with the traction control and other electronic features to prevent wheel lockups and maintain optimal grip in various road conditions. However, Suzuki understands that riders appreciate a raw and unfiltered riding experience. As such, the rider aids can be easily adjusted or disabled to cater to individual preferences, allowing experienced riders to push the limits when desired. Conclusion: reigning supreme in 2024, with the release of the 2024 Suzuki Hayabusa, Suzuki reaffirms its position as a pioneer in the world of high-performance sport bikes. The latest iteration of the Hayabusa continues the legacy of its predecessors while introducing groundbreaking technologies and design elements that push the boundaries of what a sport bike can achieve. As the apex predator of sport bikes, the 2024 Hayabusa is a force to be reckoned with, appealing to both seasoned riders seeking unrivaled performance and newcomers who wish to experience the thrill of the ride. Undoubtedly, the Hayabusa's roar will be heard on racetracks and roads around the world, leaving a lasting impression on all who encounter this engineering marvel.